to Lisa, this is my birthday message. Let me first greet you, my darling Lisa. Happy birthday today. Your momentous day reaching the 5-decade lifeline. And on this day, you are the last of the Mohicans among your brothers and sisters to reach the target date of 50. May you have many more birthdays to celebrate. And finally, wishing you long life, good health, and moving forward, of course, with Bong, your loving husband, to successful and progressive family future. Thank you.
Hello, my one and only dearest sister. Happy golden birthday. Wishing you joy, peace of mind, good health, and good fortune always and forever. Have a good time at your party. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lisa! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bunsoy!
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa!
Ay, wait lang. Ayan na.
Say hi, Joy. Hello, Peter. Happy birthday. Surprise ka ba? Siguro, alam mo na kung sino may mga pana nito. Mati mo, tsaka kuya mo. So, again, happy birthday. Sana masurpresa ka. Joy, you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay. Go.
Happy birthday, Lisa. May enjoy your 50th birthday. And I hope you enjoy your surprise party. May God bless, and I wish you all the best things you wish for yourself. Have fun. Bye.
Hello, Lisa. Happy birthday. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. My wish for you is that you will love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul. And I appreciate you for being a good sister-in-law. And I know you're a good mother, a good friend, a good wife. But I wish that you will really grow in the Lord Jesus Christ. That you will desire, you will desire Jesus in your life, and to be a part of your family as well. I wish for you good health, and Proverbs 31, that's the description of being a good mother, a good wife, a good Christian. And that is my wish for you. Just look it up in the Bible, Proverbs 31. Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy
birthday, Tita Lisa.
Tita Lisa. The baby saying happy birthday too.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your party.
Take care.
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa!
Happy birthday. Congratulations.
Hope
We
you
miss
have
you
a good
already.
one. I know, miss
See you
you.
soon. Bye.
Hello, Big Ate. Happy 50th! I'll see you soon in the Philippines. Party hard!
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa! I miss you. Have fun.
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa! 50 ka na, matanda ka na. Paano pa kaya sila, Papa? Super tanda na. Anyway, ikaw yung isa sa mga pinakamabait namin tita. Kung sana magbabago. And swerte sila, Pao, na ikaw yung namin nila. Love you! Happy birthday!
Hello, Tita. Happy 50th birthday. Ikaw, darling.
Ayoko.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Lisa. May God bless you. Go.
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa. Love you.
Birthday!
Yeah!
Okay. Kiss the baby, kiss the baby. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa.
Ano sabihin mo?
Happy day to you. Happy day to you. Happy day to love you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Lisa.
See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Lisa. Thank you for being a good tita.